Review NVX VAD11005 V2, real power, compact build, and why it replaced my dual amp setup. You've installed amps before. 2 boxes, tangled RCAs, double the wiring, double the heat. And somehow it still doesn't sound right. Door speakers are loud but the bass is muddy, or the bass hits hard but the mids sound thin. You're stuck tweaking crossovers and second-guessing the build. Sound familiar? Last month, someone ditched their dual amp setup for the NVX VAD11005 V2 and instantly cleaned up the entire install. 1 chassis, 1 ground. That's the fix. Now imagine 3 more weeks of troubleshooting. Your weekends disappear into voltage tests, EMI hum, and wiring diagrams that don't match your vehicle. The system limps along, decent volume, 0 punch, no clarity. The mental fatigue drains the fun completely. One guy spent 4 full Saturdays chasing noise across 2 amps before ripping everything out. You don't have to deal with that. There's a simpler path, and it's available right now. Enter the NVX VAD11005 V2, a 5-channel Class D amplifier delivering real wattage, precise tuning control, and a compact footprint that doesn't take over your trunk. Don't just grab any multi-channel amp. Make sure it features marine-grade conformal coatings so corrosion and moisture never become your problem. The VAD11005 V2 pushes 1100 watts RMS total, 80 watts per channel at 4 ohms, 125 watts per channel at 2 ohms, plus a dedicated subwoofer channel delivering 600 watts RMS at 2 ohms. The version 2 update moves all RCA inputs to one side, upgrades terminals to secure Allen head screws, and adds signal sensing auto turn-on. So in most installs, you can skip the remote wire entirely. One install I saw had this mounted under a Tacoma front seat, 90 minutes from unbox to first bass hit, and when that 10-inch sub came alive, the reaction was pure disbelief. Crossover controls go deep with variable high pass, low pass, subsonic filtering, and bass boost you dial by ear. Real engineering, 0 fluff. Here's what it feels like in daily use. Your front components stay crisp at highway volume because the high-pass filter eliminates low-end mud. Your rear fill sits perfectly in the mix without overpowering. Your subwoofer hits clean and tight, no boom, no flub, thanks to a 24 decibel per octave low-pass and subsonic filter, shaping exactly the frequencies you need. One installer told me it runs cooler under a seat than his old 4-channel ever did on a side panel. A marine audio tech said he installs these in center consoles on pontoons. 2 seasons in saltwater spray, 0 corrosion issues. A UTV owner runs it flat out in desert conditions, dust everywhere, and the amp never flinches. The wired bass remote lets you boost your sub for solo drives and dial it back instantly when passengers complain. No crawling under seats, no apps, just a knob. And with 0 standby current draw when there's no signal, your battery stays ready between drives. Ever installed a 5-channel amp that actually fits where the factory unit used to sit? That's the kind of flexibility this delivers. It just works. Stock on this model moves in waves. NVX builds in batches, and once a run sells out, the next restock can take weeks. Right now, units are shipping, but at the current pace, inventory won't last into next month. Installers are already grabbing multiples for client builds, with one shop ordering 6 units in a single week. If you've been planning a system upgrade, waiting doesn't help. Lock in the VAD11005 V2 while it's available. Wire it clean and finally hear what your system was meant to sound like. Don't wait.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.